In this new AI era, the winds of change are orchestrating a new melody in the corporate world. It's a shift that many have sensed, but perhaps struggle to articulate. Artificial intelligence is the virtuoso, composing a symphony of wealth that resonates across industries, transforming the way businesses operate. Picture your business as a finely tuned orchestra. Each department plays a crucial role, contributing to the harmonious flow of operations. But now, imagine infusing your ensemble with even more talent. AI-driven efficiency and automation. It's not just a few extra notes, it's a grand concert that captivates audiences far and wide. The true magic lies not only in the sheer number of players, but in their collective expertise, creating a symphony that transcends individual capabilities. Your business, much like an orchestra, thrives when every facet collaborates seamlessly, transforming daily operations into a masterpiece. Option 1. Fine-tune your symphony of success. In this evolving landscape, the first option is to optimize every aspect of your business. Streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and deliver outstanding service to create a beautiful symphony of quality and precision. Imagine doing everything right, where your business operates like a symphony, captivating your audience with its flawless performance. Much like a skilled musician playing a well-crafted instrument, each element in your business plays a vital role in creating the overall harmony. The real challenge lies not just in simplicity, but in the intricate collaboration of diverse instruments. In this case, the synergy of optimized operations and automation. Option 2. Craft your unique melody in untapped markets. For those seeking an alternative route, consider Option 2. Look for opportunities in emerging markets or sectors where the symphony of business excellence has yet to take center stage. Your skills are your instruments, and you have the chance to play a one-of-a-kind melody in markets that crave the innovation and expertise you bring. Remember, simplicity alone won't compose a grand symphony. Success in the modern business landscape requires the orchestrated collaboration of skilled musicians and diverse instruments, just as it demands the synergy of optimized operations and automation. Introducing Search Box Masters, elevating your business symphony. In the realm of AI, the journey is not easy, for the market has evolved, rendering yesterday's solutions obsolete. Our model is not a quick fix. It's a continuous process of improvement and input. We're committed not because it's easy, but because we strive for tangible results for ourselves and our clients. The decision is yours to make. Step up, refine your skills, and master the art of orchestration within your business. Alternatively, venture into new, less competitive markets rapidly. The symphony of success awaits those ready to embrace the evolving notes of the business world. It's time to compose your masterpiece. Click the link below for a free consultation.